My name's Connor Bell, and I'm a senior attending Lisbon Central. And today I'm going to show you how to test the gas and manifold pressure on an oil furnace. So we start with taking the nipple off of the gas side. Then you're going to screw in your gauge. Once you have it all screwed in, you turn on your gas pressure, your main line, and then you read a pressure in our building, 11.5 or so. It bounces a little bit. When you're done with that, you're going to shut your main line off, remove your gauge. Super important to make sure you screw this back in, otherwise when you turn your gas back on, it'll all spray everywhere, and that's not optimal. Then in order to test your manifold gas pressure, the furnace has to be running. I have it set up so you just have to plug it in. Pretty simple. Alright, now that the furnace has ignited, you can see that the gas has gone through the manifold and we're drawing a pressure of 5.5